Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have today in my shop 2007 Scion TC. This one it's super cool one. It's the neighbors here in the area. Neighbor and subscriber. He was watching this channel and then I moved in and he came over, said, "Oh my God, is it you really? You became my neighbor watching your videos all the time." So this one has 199,000 miles and all he asked me today to do the engine oil change. You can see here what was prescribed for this 2AZ FE engine. It was conventional 5W20 or full synthetic 5W20 or full synthetic 0W20. The reason I'm bringing it up, we were in the office and he said, "What are you going to put in it?" "I'm putting conventional oil in it." I'm like, wow, why you will do that? I'm thinking, I don't use any conventional oils anymore here. On any car I service here, I just put full synthetic. The weight, which is for that engine, 5W30, 5W20, 0W20, I stick with that obviously, but I'm using full synthetic oils. They might be a little bit more expensive, but I will say they are way better for that engine. So let's go see together what came out of 2AZ FE with 199,000 miles on that engine. I want to show you that engine oil, how it looks like. Okay, I got it ready for everybody. When I was opening it, I already saw that this oil, somebody will say, seen better days. I will say this oil should have been replaced a long time ago. It's a 4 quarts, that's what this engine runs. It's a 4 quarts 0W20, 5W20. He will watch this video, so this is for him and it's for everybody else. This is what I would like to say about it. You guys know I have owned Scion TC myself. I had one, I bought it from some auction. So obviously I replaced that engine oil immediately. And because it was in bad shape, I actually wrote a sticker, the reminding sticker on the windshield for myself, just 500 miles. And then I replaced it again. This one had, I believe, like 160,000 miles, so it was less. But I will say about this oil, which you see here, way too late. If it's mine, I will completely disregard 5,000 mile number, because when you reset that maintenance system in the engine, I will disregard this. If it's mine, I will start with 3. I will use full synthetic 0W20 on this, and after 1,000 miles I will be pulling the dipstick and looking on the quality of the oil. If it's lower, evaluating, and I will adjust my behavior with this engine because we have a high miles. And obviously the oil will be contaminated way quicker than when it was brand new or it had 50,000 miles. So I will talk to him this way. I will say, hey, change your oil way sooner next time, please, if you want this to serve you for another, I don't know how many years. And also don't be afraid of full synthetic. He was questioning that. He was like, well, I'm using just conventional. I think he used conventional 5W20. So my opinion is, forget about it. The synthetic, full synthetic is way better than conventional. I will not hesitate to put it in. and I will switch it or change that oil way more often. You please share your expertise, opinion, or whatever it is about this under the video. And not just for him, but for everybody else. Let's discuss this issue, topic, and let's see what people have for experience with it. On that note, I gotta go because he gave me just 1 hour and now I'm talking here in the camera. So thank you for watching. Please comment on this and I will catch you in the next video. See ya!